In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage in cTrader. If you're adjusting your trading approach or aligning your account with a new strategy, updating leverage is a quick but important task. Leverage determines how much market exposure you control relative to your account balance. For example, with 1-100 leverage, each dollar in your account controls $100 in the market. Higher leverage can amplify both potential profits and losses, so take a moment to think about risk management before you make the switch. Start by opening cTrader on your device. Once the platform loads, make sure you're looking at the correct trading account, especially if you manage more than one. The change you're about to make will apply to the account that's currently selected. Next, head to Settings, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of the platform. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Click it to open your platform settings. Interface layouts can vary slightly depending on updates or themes, but the option you need is always in this general area. Inside Settings, navigate to Account, then choose Properties. This is where cTrader groups key account-level details. Take a quick look around this page so you're familiar with what you're changing and where everything sits. Now, locate the leverage option. You'll see a list of ratios, such as 150, 1-100, or 1-500. These numbers reflect how much your buying power expands relative to your balance. Lower leverage like 150 offers more breathing room on margin and can reduce the impact of market swings, while higher leverage like 1-500 requires less margin to open positions but leaves less room for adverse moves. If you're unsure, consider starting more conservatively and scaling only when your strategy and risk controls are clearly defined. Also note that some brokers limit the available choices based on regulations, your account type, or your region. If you don't see a specific ratio, that's usually why. Select the leverage level that fits your plan. Think about the instruments you trade, typical position sizes, and how much drawdown your strategy can tolerate. Remember, leverage doesn't change the market. It only changes how your account responds to it. Finally, save the changes. Look for a Save or Apply button and confirm if prompted. Once saved, give the platform a moment to update. It's a good idea to check your margin, free funds, and any open positions afterward, so you know exactly how the new leverage affects your account. That's it. You've successfully changed leverage in cTrader. Trade carefully and keep risk management at the center of every decision.